my name is Anya, and today we want to make a hazelnut cream pie. And if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload. I upload every day, Monday to Friday. Crush a sleeve of Oreos and add 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Mix until well combined. Then pour the Oreo mixture into a strained pie dish and spread out evenly. Place in the fridge for about 30 minutes. In a bowl, beat together 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup of Nutella, mix until well combined, 1 cup of icing sugar, mix until well combined, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, a pinch of salt, mix until well combined. Fold in 8 ounces of whipped cream and mix until well combined. Spread evenly over the crust. Melt a 1/4 cup of chocolate. Drizzle the melted chocolate over the pie. Add a 1/4 cup of chopped hazelnuts on top. Place in the fridge overnight. Cut and enjoy!